Google Maps just got what they're calling the biggest update in over a decade. It's powered by Gemini. There are two major new features: Ask Maps and Immersive Navigation. I'm going to break down what they do and how they work and when you'll actually get them. Google announced this on March the 12th. They're bringing Gemini AI directly into Google Maps with two headline features. The first is Ask Maps, a conversational search where you can ask detailed questions about places. The second is Immersive Navigation, a complete 3D redesign of your driving experience. Let's look at each one. Ask Maps and Immersive Navigation do different things, but they're both about making Google Maps smarter. Ask Maps is about discovery, finding places, planning trips, getting personalised recommendations. Immersive Navigation is about the journey, a vivid 3D driving view with lane guidance, road details, and smarter voice directions. Let me show you what each one actually does. Ask Maps is like having a local guide inside the app. You tap the Ask Maps button and type a question in plain English, something like, where can I charge my phone without a long coffee queue? Or, is there a public tennis court with lights on tonight? Gemini searches 300 million places and reviews from 500 million contributors to give you a personalised answer with a map. It remembers things like your dietary preferences and past searches, so the results are tailored to you. You can also plan multi-stop trips, ask about recommended stops along a road trip, and get directions, ETAs, and insider tips from real people. And once you find somewhere, you can book a reservation, save it to a list, or share it with friends, all from the same conversation. Immersive Navigation is the visual overhaul. Your map now comes alive with a full 3D view showing buildings, overpasses, and terrain around you. Gemini analyzes street view and aerial imagery to highlight lanes, crosswalks, traffic lights, and stop signs in real time. So when you're approaching a tricky junction, you can see exactly which lane to be in. Google says this is the biggest transformation of navigation experience in over a decade. It's not just cosmetic, there's real functionality behind the visuals. 4 major improvements. First, smart zoom and broader view. The map now shows more of your route ahead with transparent buildings, so you can prepare for turns and lane changes well in advance. Second, natural voice guidance. Instead of in 0.3 miles, take the exit, you'll hear something like, go past this exit and take the next one for Illinois 43 South, like a friend in the passenger seat. Third, route trade-off comparison. Maps will now show you specific trade-offs for alternative routes, like a faster route with a toll versus a longer one with no traffic. And fourth, parking and entrance guidance. Before you set off, you can preview your destination with Street View. As you arrive, Maps highlights the building entrance, nearby parking, and which side of the street to be on. Ask Maps isn't just for finding a restaurant. You can plan an entire multi-stop road trip with insider tips from real reviews. You can book a table directly from the conversation. You can save places to your lists or share them with friends. And it's all personalised. It knows your preferences from past searches and saved places. This is genuinely useful for trip planning. Instead of spending half an hour reading reviews, you describe what you want and Maps finds it for you. Here's the availability. Ask Maps is rolling out now in the US and India on iOS and Android. Desktop is coming soon. Immersive Navigation is rolling out in the US only right now. It will expand over the coming months to iOS, Android CarPlay, Android Auto, and cars with Google built in. As for the UK, EU, and Australia, there's no date yet. Google just says expanding over the coming months, so we'll have to wait and see. Quick recap. Ask Maps is conversational AI search for places and trips powered by 300 million places and 500 million reviews. Immersive Navigation gives you 3D buildings, lane guidance, smart zoom, and transparent buildings so you can see ahead. Voice guidance is now natural and human sounding. Route trade-offs let you compare toll versus traffic options, and it's US and India first, with the rest of the world coming later. And that's the full picture. This is a genuinely big update for Google Maps, especially immersive navigation, which looks like a real step up for driving.